Minister lo chichi loikudoi muse chweru engarno koluke districta kaya ito Compassion International ke supportu kipejo kisi echalo lo rwadai kotem kuju ai reikin adokitaid nejar e project alo Akipi lo ilikoriti million na kaisa kanyango na luka nyare.
Compassion, thank you. Compassion, thank you. I now have a friend in you. I am going to speak for you. If I get any platform, I'm a small man in the country, but I can also be heard.
Akipino keskwana kitoso mae kanisa kaitunga ichieda ai chokchoka idiasho lukwi kai kitolwi pepeo kwa pineptora kolong.
Call it about here. Now, the beauty about this, long ago when we were growing up, in our homes, every mother had these leaves dried, sun-dried, as a guarantor of food security.
Yes. Loeya it Compassion International ko Uganda kere Leni Mugisha nges eyalama kanwa pia inwe jukunete kesi aitosomawe jog.
It's a great joy to see this community that with whom we began to partner about 4.5 years ago, and to see the amazing work that is going on there.
Eja utenelo Akipi kochalo kalo nesek arono noi narai araito soma Akipinu okuchoi aimoro kaibaren.
Today we are talking about the water. We have clean water here. We used to get water down that swamp, this runway of water. We had some spring there which was shared with animals, and we had a lot of cases of dysentery, diarrhea, and as a project, we were registering a lot of investment in terms of resources in managing these cases. But we are glad today we have this clean water, which is a well of 93 meters down, and it is very clean water.
William Opinya ngese diopet loito soma Akipinu.
Se alama narai partner bere dumuna tidak. Sek dino kawang na arono chut kionara mari kipi disita mari mama parana.
Akipinu keskwani jana kinete Icaaloi wongon Luko oloi orwadai angorom ka ojama neja sikalia lwede parta kwataka nyape. Kanuka TV East Patrick Eteu kwa Muria.
For coming.
Thank you for hosting us.
Please.
Good work.
You're most welcome.